Welcome to the South County Medical Group Patient Portal. With just a few clicks, you can now easily access your health records online. If you have recently scheduled an appointment or have been seen by one of our providers at any of our South County Medical Group practices, you may have received an invitation to enroll via email. Enrolling is easy, and following the step-by-step instructions provided within the link will allow you to gain access to your medical group patient portal features. Please note, this link is valid for 72 hours. If you would like to request a new link, please contact our Health Information Management Department at 401-788-1477. The patient portal prefers Google Chrome. Portal performance issues may occur with outdated browsers if you use Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. Internet Explorer is not supported by South County Medical Group Portal. An invitation will go to your email provided at registration in your medical record. This email will provide a link to create your username, password, and security question by clicking on Click here to sign in. Temporary username and password will be filled in for you. All you need to do is click Sign in. This link will bring you to a page where you'll need to create a login ID that must contain no fewer than 4 characters. Contain no special characters. There is no limit on max characters. The password must contain no fewer than 10 characters. Contains a minimum of 1 upper, lower, and special character. There is no limit on max characters. You will need to create a security question using options available and provide an answer. Once completed, hit Continue. Read and accept user agreement. This will bring you to homepage of your patient portal or medical records. The second way to sign up for Portal is by visiting the Medical Group Portal website at southcountyhealth.org/patient-portal. If you are self-enrolling and have not received a link and would like to set up access to either your own health record or someone else's health record, please follow these directions. Click on the Start Here button. You will need to enter the following information under Create an Account. Last name, required. First name, required. Date of birth, required, including month, day, and year. Email address is required and must match what we have in your medical chart. This will need to be entered twice. You may also download enrollment instructions by clicking on the Download Enrollment Instructions button found on the Patient Portal page, patientportal.southcountyhealth.org. Once you've enrolled in the South County Medical Group Patient Portal, you can begin exploring all the convenient features it offers. These Medical Group Patient Portal features allow you to view medical records, view visit history and documentation, exchange secure messages with providers, schedule office appointments or virtual visits, pay bills online for accounts starting with the letters SM. Complete pre-visit questionnaires. Are you a patient looking for an easy way to view your appointment history or patient documentation? Our Medical Group Patient Portal makes it easier than ever to access all of your important healthcare information. It's secure, convenient, and user-friendly. You can access your medical information when you need it most. Plus, our team of experts are here to answer any questions you may have. No matter what medications you're taking, it's important to keep track of your prescriptions. With our Medical Group Patient Portal, you can easily view and manage your medication records all in one place. Keep tabs on which medications have been prescribed, refills remaining, and more securely and conveniently. Easily schedule appointments with your South County Medical Group providers. Schedule office visits or virtual visits with the click of a button. Simply select your provider and choose your appointment time, and the Medical Group Patient Portal provides immediate confirmation of your appointment. Welcome to convenient care. The online bill pay feature provides convenient, secure, and fast access to your accounts. View your outstanding balance, make payments, receive payment confirmations, and more, all through the Medical Group Patient Portal. All bills for South County Medical Group account numbers will begin with the letters SM. Please note that if you have an account beginning with the letter V, please pay your bill through the hospital patient portal. Need to complete a pre-visit medical questionnaire prior to your appointment? If so, you'll receive an email reminder and will be able to access and complete your forms through the Medical Group Patient Portal. Once you have enrolled in the Medical Group Patient Portal and want to access your health record, please log in through the SCH Now app. For even more convenient access to your medical records, download our new SCH Now app. SCH Now makes it easy for patients to access all of the Medical Group Patient Portal features, plus get care now, find a provider, browse programs and services, and search career opportunities at South County Health. Download today at southcountyhealth.org/app. Thank you for choosing South County Health for your healthcare needs. We are committed to providing the highest quality of care and services in a safe, secure online environment. If you have any questions or need assistance using the South County Medical Group Patient Portal, please feel free to contact the Health Information Management Department at 401-788-1477.